In a small town, a shy office worker named Kai turned a stubborn weight into a stepping stone toward a new identity. Facing plateaus, injuries, and self-doubt, Kai documented every setback and used them to fuel a smarter plan built on consistency. The breakthrough came when he swapped crash diets for steady routines, prioritized sleep, measured progress, and built a supportive circle that kept him accountable. Through disciplined workouts, mindful eating, and daily micro-habits, Kai transformed his energy, confidence, and health, inspiring coworkers and family to start their own journeys. The story ends with a warning and a wink. Transformation is a marathon of tiny wins, not a sprint, but every day moves you closer.